Hello lovelies, you are welcome to my channel. To my old subscribers, thank you for coming back to watch my videos. And to my new subscribers, you're welcome to the family. For today, this hair is a box braid. The ends are going to be coiled with spiral rods. So for this hair, I use the 100% Kanekalon hair. The back parts, I cut the synthetic hair into 4 sections, while the front part, I cut the synthetic hair into 3 sections. I did this so that the client will be able to pack the hair and it will be equal at the end. If you always like to pour your hair, you just need to cut the synthetic hair into 4 parts. I've made a similar hair like this in one of my videos. In that hair, there's no braid added to it. This kind of style is easy in the sense that it takes less time to make. So if you need something that is faster, you need something quick, you go for this kind of look. You don't need to stay in the salon from morning till night. Sometimes spend all day at the salon, depending on the kind of hairstyle you're making. This type of hairdo, you don't need to spend all day at the salon. You just have 3 to 4 hours, you're out of the salon. So that's why I'm saying that this hair is quick and is fast. Also, at this point, I would like to advise our stylist, when you're making your client's hair, it should not be too tight, not too firm. Because if it's too firm at the scalp area, the client will not be able to sleep at night. Although some clients like their hair to be tight at the scalp area, they feel if it's tight it will last them longer. Some don't like it tight, they like it loose. Now I'm done making the box braids. Right now I want to make the coils with spiral rods, as you can see on the video. I have a video on how I make spiral rods without box braids, so you can watch that. So after putting the hair in the spiral rods, I will then add it to hot water. When I say hot water, I keep smiling. I keep smiling because If you want to make this hair, you should be ready for hot water, but not for hot water hazard if you go to a good stylist. I have a particular way I put this hair in hot water. So with this hair, if you go to a good hairstylist, you don't need to worry about hot water hazard. But some hairstylists will pour hot water on you. And there's something about this hair. The hairstylist will always tell you, bend this way, bend that way, to this position, to that position. You always bend from one corner to the other. And your neck will be hurting. And sometimes you just tell yourself, send me message. Send me message. Huh? All this for beauty is because I want to be beautiful. Oh my god. So when we make our hair and it's beautiful, please give us that compliment. You don't know what we go through for all of this. You don't understand. Honestly, if you go to some kind of stylist with this hair, you have a story to tell, the story of your life. So this is how I add hot water to the hair, so it will not cause hazard for the clients. So I'm removing the hair from the spiral rods. After taking it out from hot water, of course you have to let it to cool down. And in this particular hair, I did not separate the coils because my client didn't want me to separate the coils. So she wanted it to be just like so. As the days goes by, when she starts to pack it, it will then separate itself. She didn't want me to separate it, so I did not separate the coils. I left the coils just the way I removed it from the spiral rods. Please, I would really advise that when you're making this kind of hair, you should be very careful. You as the stylist should also be very careful not to burn your clients, because of course if you've done it once, you've done it twice, the client will not come back. Like, the client doesn't want to burn herself just for hair. This hair is done. This is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. See you some other time in my next video. Bye.